What is the situation making day by day due to the coronavirus from 1 year ago? In the education part, also other part. Means don't education comfortably all students, also all India, also all the world. Don't compulsory. Comfortable life. This is suffering from badness. Is that discussed earlier? India also world.
कोरोनामध्ये काय काय घडलं, काय काय झालं, काय काय सिम्पटम्स झाले, किती त्रास.
तू इकडे खुश. तू सेंटर बघा. चालेल.
Okay, we will start our discuss. So, hello friends, my name is Shreya Sondake and I will put forward or we will put forward in front of you our discuss topic is that what type of problems we face in the from 2 years just because of the waves of corona. So we all know that you are the students and the means I will start my topic firstly. I'll introduce all of we are learning I am learning in the second year, become second year, and we all know that from 2 years we have lot of problems just because of one of the virus, and not only our India but also in the whole world. In the whole world we know that the situations what happened with us means lot of person, not only lot of person, every person face the problems of just because of coronavirus. And I think that according to me lot of lot of problems are come whose life that the students life because just because of gap of the education, the students going towards the bad way. Lot of students going towards the bad way means the little childs to going towards the mobile on the field of mobile on the field of means that is a very big problem for us, not only for us, the younger generations. What can you say about that?
Okay, so firstly I want to introduce myself. Myself, Shruti Khate. I am learning in 12th class science, and I am now in the current condition of student life. Means how I faced my my experience. As my experience, I want to tell you that how I faced from Corona and COVID. Or my coachings are online. Then lots of WhatsApp groups and lots of study material. That's why phone storage is also got to that. And as well as I want to tell that means all students are learning while in the series, but after the when COVID come in India, so at that time all students link will broke, had broke. And after this any student can do proper study according to me, because any student, because in class we are not focusing totally our 100%, so how can we study in online too? So according to me this is the reality according to me. Are you agree with me all?
Yeah.
I don't get response.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
अरे म्हणणार आहे घरा ना ते yes or no.
Okay, so it's the personal thing. So according to me, it will be happen towards all students. So after this, I want to say that. Okay, so I want to tell that what your opinion about the broken of student links, means it can be in competitive exam to MPSC, UPSC, and student life also.
Yes, so before I will introduce myself, my name is Deepali Hake, and now this time I am learning in BCom final year. So today our topic is that which problem we faced in a corona periods, and you asked me that
हो ना तू
which
How
situation.
India facing from coronavirus as well as competitive exam students, MPSC, UPSC, or science means
Yes,
any
means-
field.
Means in the corona pandemic, not only the student but also the all people face many challenges in their life. And if we think about students, so we also face many problems, because due to the corona, our all classes was not offline. Due to that reason, we are learning now we are learning online also, and there are many problems we face also. So what your opinion?
Yes, the big problem is net problem is everyone, every year or every place there is no net. So that time our class means our online class had destroyed, and just because of that our study there is not our in mind. just because of that online classes. And we all know that if we are going to offline classes, so definitely our whole concentrate on our studies, just because of that our concentrate.
So
But
I think it's the about of online class. I want to say the Indian currency towards business. According to me, in the business field, there is a means the graph like this is going towards
Yes,
like
GDP of
downwards.
India.
According to me,
The GDP of
it's
India.
yes GDP of India, as well as all the means online platform like Amazon, Flipkart, and all that means which are providing us as a important material as well as groceries and lots of things which are going to the high level according to me, because all students or all peoples of India trying to sell anything from online, because
Yes, means the online
they are
business
not try to go outside the home because they are fearing from COVID. So what can you say about online platform?
Means online platform. Yes, means our all thing are online now this time, because means we can't face directly about many things, and due to that reason the online classes means not only the online classes but also online shopping, online business, to these all things are more important now this time.
means online platform growing day by day just because of the COVID pandemic. So that's why the business growing. So that's good for someone, but not for everyone. So that's why after some years, definitely that will be happening very goodly and.
Okay, so according to me, that's are the disadvantages of the COVID. According to me, there are some of the good advantages of also COVID. Means some students who are not thinking about themselves, they are getting time for think about themselves, and they are trying to reach any good goal or any bad goal too. Because coin has two sides, just like that there is a disadvantage too and advantages too. So according to me, it's our mentality to think towards COVID or not. Means is it good or not? So
Yes,
it's your
means
opinion about
everything is happened with us that time. We have a two ways to clear up that thing. So we should choose the good thing, good path in our life. So you are in the 10th class. So my advice is to you. So best of luck for your CET exam, and do a best and do a very hard work for your.
And don't think about we have lots of gap.
Yes.
So don't think about
So this
past,
is your
because past
turning
is a
point.
waste paper. Future is a current newspaper,